Okay, hello everyone. I'm Akie Yuba of Asia Center for Air Pollution Research. I appreciate you have me and you give me an opportunity to introduce the local sensor and our EANET project. I'd like to talk about today what is the local sensor, LCS, and the example of the utilization in uh, Asian countries and the EANET project. Next, please. Air pollution such as PM2.5 and ozone and other gases have been measured by the designated reference and equivalent method. But recently, local sensors have become popular for the air quality monitoring, and its technologies have been developed. ACS is equipped with several sensors, such as electrochemical cell sensor for specific gases and light scattering detector for the particle matter. ACS is small, portable, and easy to handle and maintain it. And also, the installation and running costs are relatively lower than the reference level monitors, so-called low cost. The price of the LCS are varied from several hundred to approximate 10,000 US dollars. The affordability and the simplicity of LCS come with the trade-off of accuracy. Next, please. Here, I'd like to talk about the example of utilization of LCS in the case of Thailand. Many kinds of LCS for PM2.5 has been installed and utilized by the citizens to confirm the air quality in real time. It is because the citizen scientists were worried about their health impacts and want to measure by themselves. Government supports this movement to improve the public awareness with making apps which shows the real-time monitoring data from LCS and also reference level monitors. They achieve the enhancement of the air quality monitoring network, but faced the issue. The citizens got confused because each LCS and reference level monitor shows very different concentration even in the same area. Some LCS shows about twice higher concentration. It is because that quality and performance LCS are very different depending on the price. And also there is no criteria of calibration, QSQC protocol, and standardization of LCS. Next slide, please. LCS sound useful, but there are still challenges. US EPA considers that LCS data does not meet national ambient air quality standards, but it is useful for non-regulatory supplemental and informational monitoring application. For example, the monitoring of wildfire. For EANET, we should overcome some issues about the accuracy and the precision of LCS and performance under different environmental conditions, especially very humid conditions in Southeast Asian countries for EANET. Next slide, please. From here, I'd like to talk about the EANET project. As you already know, PM2.5 and surface ozone were chosen as the target substances in the scope of EANET. EANET participating countries is trying to increase monetization for PM2.5 and ozone. However, their capacity are still limited. LCS would be the large potential to expand the monitoring network, but there are still have issues about the performance. To solve these two issues, we should consider how we can widely select and use LCS with existing monitoring equipment. We launched the concept of hybrid air quality monitoring network called HAQMN, where highly reliable LCS and existing equipment are using in an integrated manner, and start a EANET project. Next slide, please. Here shows the objective of EANET project. Demonstrate of the HAQMN concept in the selected city, development of knowledge product and capacity building. Next slide, please. Here shows the steps and the implementation plan. First, we launched HAQMN in selected city. We have conducted parallel monitoring tests using LCS and reference level monitors to ensure the LCS performance and get information of LCS operation and QA/QC. And then demonstrate small-scale HAQMN in Hoa Binh, Vietnam, and Yangon, Myanmar. Next, we developed knowledge product, such as guidelines, the technical manuals. Then we conduct we build the capacity by implementing a seminar and on-site training toward the policymaker, expert, and practitioner in air quality monitoring field. We plan to disseminate these deliverables to the EANET participating countries. Next slide, please. From here, we'd like to show the several results of HAQMN monitoring. Here shows the parallel monitoring in Yangon, Myanmar. We compared 5 LCS and reference level monitor. Right side figure shows some LCS shows a good correlation with reference level monitors. Next slide, please. Here shows the result from small-scale HAQMN. This graph shows the relation to right side. We conducted small-scale HAQMN. We installed 5 LCS in each city. Right side figure shows the relationship between the wind direction and the PM2.5 concentration inside the Yangon city. Please go to the next slide. Lastly, I will show the vision and final goal in this project. We set the goal in the near time as our policymakers, practitioners gain the better understand the source of air pollution and design countermeasures. And in long-term goal is that EANET accelerating survey and application of LCS and HAQMN in the regional and global scale. And EANET has a vision, the contribution to enhance air quality monitoring of PM2.5 and ozone through expanding monitoring system using LCS. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.